Here at Altenew, we don't just have an endless supply of crafting goodies to add to your craft room, we also offer lots of inspiration so you can create the projects of your dreams. Every month we host Popular Inspiration Challenge on our card blog, featuring special inspiration photos and carefully selected colour swatches to give you a jump start on your projects. Our talented design team members are there to share their beautiful project photos, instructions and video tutorials to help you create your own handmade cards. Not only will you get lots of crafty inspiration, you will also have the opportunity to enter our monthly Inspiration Challenge contest with the chance to win fun prizes. Crafters are encouraged to submit as many entries as they want, as we love to see the beautiful projects you all come up with. If you have ever joined in one of our inspiration challenges, you know how fun it is to create a project based on our monthly colour palette and see what other crafters have put together. We are honoured that our inspiration challenges bring a community of crafters together, and we look forward to continue hosting this challenge for years to come. Get some crafty inspiration using this month's colour swatch today. Head on over to blog.altenew.com to check out this month's inspiration challenge, and we can't wait to see what you create.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!